Hey guys, it's coreross and this video is sponsored by Goat Guns. So I'm going to unbox and construct the AWM sniper rifle little miniature replica by Goat Guns, and this thing looks really cool. So on their website they have a massive selection of weapons you can go check out, so there's a link in the description if you want to get a specific weapon, but we're going to unbox this and build it. So it's really cool. All the separate parts, we've got everything from the tiniest of bullets to the actual barrel, the stock, everything. And it's even got a working bolt action. So you can see the barrel here, obviously no hole in it, it's not a real weapon, doesn't fire anything at all. But it looks really cool. And once it's built, I think it's going to look sweet. And we've got the body of the weapon here, and that's actually solid metal, really cool construction, nice paint job. Let's actually build this. Now that we've constructed this, let's take a real close look at it. So here's the actual bolt action working, and it looks really nice and it feels quite nice too. And it's nice to have that kind of feature. I don't think you'd be doing it often, but what I was amazed by is the fact you can actually see through the scope. I wasn't expecting that to be a thing. The magazine even comes out, the trigger even moves as well. Although you need to like have something really small to do it, but it's pretty cool to have all this working functionality with the replica. It's cool. And it really looks the part. So very happy with it. Tell me what you guys think in the comments below. So overall the paint job in that looks really nice. Got good details. Everything has a function to it and it works, which is just pretty amazing for something this small. And it's pretty gorgeous. I'm going to leave you with a few photos of this weapon, and if you want to check these out on their website, link in the description. Anyway guys, thanks for watching and I'll catch you next time.